All right. Now we're live. I just went live. It wasn't working for some reason. I don't know why. But looks like we're good to go now. All right. So, yeah, today's CPI comes out in 7 minutes. Forex Factory expectations for core CPI month over month 0.3%. CPI month over month 0.1%, and CPI year over year is 3.4%. So it'd be interesting if we get a miss here. Obviously, we'll expect some volatility. Let's get my drawings back on. So yeah, just expecting some volatility. Other than that, not really too much. This is the hourly chart on ES. As you can see, we're at all-time highs. Highest close ever yesterday. NASDAQ displaced much higher. So makes sense for just continuation here. Dow Jones looking weak as shit. But at the same time, I could see this rallying. Honestly, with the Fed funds, I'm keeping an open mind to a surprise where we might get a cut. Because the European Central Bank cut, Canada cut. They've got a few people who are important, especially Canada, because that's why Canada is important, because it's literally like they're basically the U.S. When it comes to economic stuff, and well, like they're the same as the U.S., same inflation type of stuff. But yeah, you can see what happened to the euro when they cut. Dollar is respecting this order block that I've been watching. So hopefully that's good for this USD JPY trade that I'm in, that we've been holding for forever now, since a month ago. So I didn't expect it to take this long, but it's all good. Actually, before that. No, yeah. Wow, a month and a half ago. Jeez. Pound rallying. I was watching for this to retrace into here. Could still do that. This could be a short setup here. Possible. Because that is a displacement candle. After taking out sell side. Sell stops. So, euro down. I also just been keeping an eye on the peso. I think this thing could turn around here, but at the same time, when I looked at the commitment of traders report, I wasn't convinced on this guy. We're at all-time short, all-time short on commitment of trader commercial data. From how I interpret it, that's what it looked like to me. But I like how this, when it comes up, that's the one thing I like is, yeah, on the weekly it's clearly displacing. Let's see how this week closes, but it would be interesting if this just rejects hard here, because this would be a possible rejection area. I don't know what this is that I've highlighted here. Maybe it's a quarterly fair value gap. So would make a lot of sense here. That's Just mark that up real quick so I don't forget it. That's a strong fair value gap. Look at that quarterly displacement to the downside, man. So, decent technical setup, but you gotta wait on these bigger trades, to see how they react. For me, is what I'm doing. Could make sense to use this as an entry area maybe, but I don't know if I'm gonna trade that. CPI comes out in a minute and a half, so we'll see how the markets react here. We'll open up these charts on the indices, since that's what we'll be mainly trading. Could make sense for us to reject here with the crawl up, but obviously nothing's guaranteed. So yeah, nothing. I don't have any like trade ideas right now to go off of. Just kind of seeing how we react here. S&P didn't get the displacement up. And this could turn into a wick. But that being said, nothing's looking bearish. Nothing's looking super bearish, so we're gonna wait. I really want to see how the dollar reacts to this news. All right, 4 seconds. I'm gonna refresh this page. Whoa, big move down on JPY, but could just be a false fake out. 2% miss on core CPI. 0.2, expectations were 0.3. 0 CPI month over month. 3.3 CPI year over year. But that's a positive beat. Which I guess would mean that they would cut here. So dollar rejecting super hard. Holy moly monkeys. Nice. I'm going to get a bunch of notifications here. So yeah, hopefully JPY continues this move. I like it, but sometimes this is just a quick liquidation before we head back up. But with what's happening here on the dollar, honestly, I expect this actually to be a move, like a solid move here. But we've been faked out many times, so we'll wait. Goodness. Those alerts are pretty annoying. Big move up on indices. They like that news. I'm going to look for at Dow. Wow. Yeah, big pop. Peso rejecting. Euro pumping. Whoa. Euro's taking back its losses since they cut. Alright, yeah, let's see this dump finally, please. I just want this trade to work out. To get that get that off the back of my head. Get that, whatever. I don't know how to say that. Dollar dumping though, wow. Doesn't mean it's necessarily going to get all the way lower. But, I mean, look at that. Expecting the order block, failing above these highs. I'm pretty convinced we're going to get down into here for a bounce. Maybe we can take some scales out on the JPY for, since kind of losing a little bit of confidence in this. Interesting though, big moves. Kind of surprising though, because these are, I mean, look at this. Oh, it's red because it's, okay. Because it's not, yeah. I was assuming, oh, red is bad, you know what I mean? I'm like, why is it red? Isn't that a good thing? The goal is to get a lower CPI. And I'm like, bad. Red, bad. Green, good. So, yeah, big moves here. Let's zoom out on the 4 hour. Because I'm looking to get short the Dow for a swing based on this huge move down we've had. So, what's up? How was it?
It was good. Are you live?
Mm-hmm. Just for the news, though. But yeah, I feel like that's the move. The Fed funds isn't till 2 o'clock. So noon, my time, we'll let the market digest this news. Man, I just wish this would just go. Like, look at the dollar. Oil's up off the news. Let's see how gold kind of liked it. Silver, metals, Bitcoin pumping. Total crypto came down to this order block. Ethereum, XRP, like that news. Nice. What else can we look at? Russell. Whoa, Russell with a huge move. Where did Russell bounce? Is anything here? Just inside this. Whoa. Yeah, it looks like it's just retraced into this order block on the Russell, and now we may continue higher. You know what? This may be the trade now. If you're gonna be long, the trades in the Russell might be where we get the most significant moves. I mean, look at that, 2% up. Russell's been super suppressed here. So, silver has a nice pop. So, yeah, dollar down, risk up, everything that's risk asset is up. Yields getting crushed. There we go. Yeah, we were looking for yields to get a rejection in here. This was just a fair value gap. Obviously, they're not all going to be the same. But yeah, that may be the top of yields, at least momentarily, or for the trend. But I've got some XRP, so I really like this news. I bet it takes these highs, settles down, and then it's gonna come take these highs, and then work its way up. That's what I'm hoping for. What else was I looking at? The pound. Yeah, pound didn't get that move you're looking for on the pound. Good thing you didn't take any shorts there. It's gonna seek this high here. We'll have to reevaluate those setups there. Nice. Okay. All right. Yeah. There you go. There's CPI. Fed funds later today. Maybe I'll hop back onto the live stream later. But other than that, I'll work on my trading plan for today, and then we'll see if we get anything to set up.